Hello there, this is G for AI for Pinoys, and I wanted to share a did you know na meron na si Gemini? So this is a new feature that Gemini included in their platform that may be very useful for us who are working, who have a business, or who's studying, no? And it's accessible to anyone na merong Google account. So kung may Gmail ka, that's why I always encourage mga tinuturuan ko on AI na to always create a Gmail account. Huwag na kayo mag-Yahoo. Hindi na uso po yung Yahoo ngayon. So, hindi naman sa uso, mas madaming benefits po 'pag nagkaroon kayo ng Gmail account. Ano yung benefits niya? May access po kayo sa Gemini. So, Gemini is parang ChatGPT lang 'yan. However, mas connected siya sa Google Drive. So, kung magsa-save ka ng mga files, so I really recommend using Gemini. So, recently, Gemini introduced what we call, there's a gems, which kung part siya, parang siyang folder. Pero may nilagay silang tinatawag na you can build apps now within Gemini, no? So, and these are the examples of the applications you can create, no? So, and you build the app, you can build an app just by chatting with it now. So, pwede mo lang sabihin anong gusto mong gawin na app. Sabihin natin gusto mo gumawa ng social media caption maker, sabihin natin, or my restaurant business, sabihin natin. Yan. So, tingnan niyo lang sa ilalim kasi doon ko tina-type. Medyo nadali ko na yung mukha ko sa taas. So, enter natin. So, now it would generate, may pag-aaralan niya, yung AI, pag-aaralan niya yung application na gusto natin gawin and see if it's gonna generate something. Sana ma-generate naman niya. Feeling ko naman ma-generate. Oh, you tayo, wow! To-generate nga niya. Ha! Cool. Yeah, can I sure. Alright, so yun, click mo lang start. Enter the restaurant name, cuisine, events, and promotions. So, pwede kang mag-upload, pwede kang magdagdag ng YouTube video, pwede kang mag-add ng drawing, pwede kang mag-check ng video cam. So I haven't really explored this one, but if kung ako may time or kung gusto ko lang gumawa ng mga mini apps, I think this is a really a good option na pwede nyo at pwede natin gawin, no? So, yeah. So yun, check nyo ngayon siya. It's under gemini.google.com under under gems, no? So para makita nyo ano yung mga pwedeng gawin. Madami na po siyang available na things. So learning with YouTube, blog post. So basically things that we need for the business, no, or for yourself. So yun lang.
Have a good day.